Hey guys, Jason here, back in the garage with the KTM 790 Adventure. Today I've got a new skid plate going on the bike. It's a skid plate made by AXP. Now I wanted to compare this skid plate with the stock one and just kind of show you the differences. And I was skeptical with this AXP skid plate, it being plastic, whether it was going to be an upgrade over stock or not. So let's get into it and let's talk about these skid plates and we'll put it on the bike. All right, this is the stock skid plate. It's all aluminum. It feels pretty strong and it's actually fairly light. I have the weights of these here that I'll share with you here in a second. But I have taken some easy kind of falls practicing in the dirt, and I've already got some dents and scrapes on it, and this is just 1,000 miles of use. One thing that I question though with the new skid plate, and I'll show you that here in a second, the thing I actually really liked about the stock setup was these caps here that protected the ends of your gas tank. So essentially something like that. And you know, these are kind of flimsy in a way, but they also have a lot of protection here for your gas tanks that hang down low. So I kind of wish the new skid plate would allow these to kind of go over the top, but I don't know, we'll see. All right, now this is the AXP skid plate. It's all, I don't know the actual material, but it's like a plastic, you know, dense plastic material. Very thick, I'm not sure if that shows well on the video, but this thing is very stout. These brackets, these aluminum brackets here, very strong, very thick. There's some aluminum bracing here in the seams. You got this dense kind of plastic support in the middle here as well. And I'm pretty impressed, and I will say this is actually heavier than the stock aluminum piece. So let me go over the weights right now. All right, so put these two skid plates on the scales, and the stock skid plate with those plastic caps for the gas tanks and all the hardware came out to be 2.49 kilograms, or almost 5.5 pounds. The AXP now, with all of the hardware and everything that came in the kit, 4.15 kilograms, or just over 9 pounds. So that's kind of a shocker to me, that this AXP skid plate is actually heavier than the stock. But I don't know, will it provide more protection? Anyways, let's get it on the bike, see how it looks. Well, there you have it, AXP skid plate on a KTM 790 Adventure. What do you guys think? Is this an upgrade? Is this going to protect my bike better than the stock one? I don't know, let's find out. I can always put the stock one back when this one fails. Leave in the comments what you guys think. Is this an upgrade, or would you have gone with something else? You know, there are some other much more heavy duty, bulky, you know, skid plates out there. They're $500 to $600. I think this was about $350 to $380 when I bought this. Well, that's gonna do it for today's video. Appreciate it if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for more KTM 790 Adventure content. I'm also working on the China bike from X Pro, so I'm working on some things there too. So come back and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.